Investors nearly lost over 19 lakh crore rupees within minutes, and more than 700 companies have hit their 52-week lows as the Indian market suffered from a massive crash today. This fall has been the worst since COVID-19 hit us. Not only the Indian market but global markets have seen this crash. Tokyo fell by 8%, Australian market fell by 6%, South Korean market fell by 4.4%. Not only that, US investors have lost trillions of rupees. Why did Indian market crash today? There are 6 main reasons, so do watch the entire video to know the reasons. The first reason is global sell-off. Now, because of the tariffs which is issued by Trump on 2nd of April, a lot of investors have fearing that the stock prices may fall even further, eroding their wealth. So they have started to sell huge amount of their stock, which has resulted in more supply over the demand. The second reason is tariff tensions. We all know that Trump has imposed tariff across various countries, but China being hit the most. China in response have imposed 34% retaliatory tariff on US imports. Not only China, European Union also plans to impose tariffs on US imports. All these big nations fighting against each other over tariffs will definitely create fear among the investors. The third reason is fear of slow economic growth. Experts are of the view that Trump's tariff is going to increase the inflation, which will directly hit the profitability of all the companies, affecting the consumer sentiments, which will invariably result in slower economic growth. The fourth reason is FPI outflow. After turning net buyers in the month of March, foreign portfolio investors have again started to sell off their stake in the Indian equity or cash segment. Now till Friday, that is till 4th of April 2025 alone, FPIs have sold equities worth 13,730 crores. The fifth reason is RBI's MPC. So the Monetary Policy Committee is meeting on 9th of April, and there is an expectation that the interest rates will come down so that the government and RBI can support the growth. And the last reason is Q4 earnings. As the March quarter has come to an end, so all the companies will start posting their Q4 results shortly. For example, TCS will post their Q4 results on April 10th. The Trump's tariff is definitely not going to have any impact on the numbers of Q4 or the previous financial year. But what all of us are waiting is the management's comment on the trade war and what is their plan of action to survive in this trade war. The US and China are the two largest economies of the world today, and both of them fighting against each other on the tariff war is not only impacting them but the entire nation. They will either shake it or make it. How the Indian government is going to react to these tariffs issued? Will the interest rates go down? Will inflation impact the economic growth? Will the foreign outflow continue to increase? All of this is still uncertain, so stay tuned for more information. Thank you.
Investments in securities are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.